Hello, my name is Sarah and welcome back to our series Let's learn to read the Quran. And today we will start learning the first part of the shapes of the letters. Bismillah. Okay. Today we will learn the shapes of the letters who can connect to both right and left, or let's narrow it down, who can connect to the letter before them, which is left, I think, yes. While focusing on the first short vowel, Fatha. Okay? We have here حرف الباء, ba, 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 ba. When we put Fatha, we pronounce it ba, 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 ba. Here you see it can connect to both left and right. All the letters we go through here have its own unique feature that allows them to be connected to both left and right. Okay, here we find that the feature is the dot under the stick. Yeah, you can find it here, find it here, find it here. So the dot beneath makes it automatically b. When it has fatha on it, it's ba. Okay, let's move on. Ta, ta. The unique thing is the two dots, and you can see it can connect to both sides. After it, it is th. When it has fatha, it is th. This is equivalent to th in 3. This part is pronounced th, th, with your tongue coming a little bit out of your teeth. Okay, and also like teeth. The th in teeth. Okay, th, 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 th. Good. Next, we have ge, 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 ge. Without fatha, it is g. With fatha, or the small shape above the letter, it's ge. Okay. The unique features of ge is this shape and the dot. If you remove the dot, you will find it's ha. If you move the dot above, it is kha. So this is the unique part about this. Okay, so let's go back. Ga, ha, kha. And you can see all of them can connect to both left and right. Let's go on. Sorry. Sa, 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 s, sa. But with fatha, it is sa. With fatha, sa. Okay, let's use this one, and it can connect to both left and right. And the unique thing is 3. I don't know what to call this. Tell me what you call them in the comments if you want to. And let's see. Sh, sh, with fatha, she. Like this. She, 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 she. And you can also connect it to left and right. Again, let's move. What am I doing? Sa, sa. The heavy S, it doesn't have equivalent in English, but it's sa, sa. And with fatha, it is sa, sa. tha, and also can connect to left and right. And this part is the unique part about it. You put tick in here, it's connected to the letter before. You put tick in here, it's connected to the letter which comes after it. Like you can see here, and here, and here. D. D. It's a heavy D. A heavy D. With fatha, it is da. 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 And as you can see, it can also be connected to the left and right. Next. Ta. Ta. It's a heavy T. A heavy T. If you can remember the last lesson of the last part of the previous lesson, we compared the letters that look alike and that sound alike to eliminate the confusion. I hope you saw it. If you didn't, please go see it again. This is ta. It can connect to the letter after it and the letter before it, and with fatha it is ta. 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 And as you can see at the end of it, it looks pretty much the same, but with the tick. Z. Z. It looks exactly the same as ta, but with the dot above it, which distinguish them from each other. I'm sorry. With fatha, it is za. 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 And this is a heavy Z. A very heavy Z. Za. And when you try to pronounce the heavy letter in Arabic, don't try to get them from the back. Just try to emphasize the first part. Like za, 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 za. Let's move on. A, ayn. This is the letter ayn. A, a, a. With fatha, it is a, 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 a. And this is a letter you can see in many different shapes. This is nothing unique about here, but you can write it like this. And you can write it like this in the middle of the word as well. You can do it like this or like this. Like this, we write it like this. Okay, so this is like just a unique way to write it, but you can also write it like this. But this is a difference in the font. You take this part and put it here. Take this part and link it here instead of this. So I put it here so you know if you find it like this, it is the same as this, it is the same as this, it is the same as this. They are all the same, just difference in how different fonts work. Like you can write A like this or like this. They are both the same letter, but written different ways. This is exactly the same. Okay, so let's go back. I, 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 and we can see also it can be linked to both left and right. Okay, R, 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 it's a French R, so you can pronounce it. It's a little gurgle from the deep throat. R, R. With fatha, it is R, 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 and you can see also it is the same as ayn exactly, but with just the difference is a dot above it, and it can also connect to left and right. Next one, F, F, the letter F, F. With fatha, it is fa. Can you see what we are doing? We just put in an A after the letter, but it's a small A. It's just like fa, 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 and we will know the difference between fa with fatha or fa with alif. Like this is fa, this is fa, I say the sound for two counts, not only one count. This is fa. I just change the pronunciation of this letter. But when I add an alif or a long vowel alif, it changes from fa to fa. Okay? We will go over this over and over again, but just to show you what I mean. Let's go to the next one. qa, 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 qa. With fatha, it is qa, 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 qa. And all of this to show you what is the unique feature is this part. Is this part with the two dots. If we move on to the with fatha, it is qa, 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 qa. It's a heavy K, more like Q, qa, but we don't pronounce Q like this. But let's say it's a heavy K with fatha is with an A afterwards. qa, 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 qa. Let's move on. La, 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 la. With fatha, it's la, 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 la. And the L can be, the lam can be linked to both left and right, or the other way around. Because this is part, it can be linked, but alif cannot be linked to make the difference. So you can know the difference between alif and lam in the connected letter words. Let's move on. M, m, m. With fatha, it is ma. Okay, it can be linked to both left and right. As you can see, there is a little difference, but you can write it like this and like this. Okay, it can just, if you put like this here, it's this. But also it's just a difference in how it's written in a font. But if you're reading, you should know both of them. Okay, let's go on. N, ne, n, ne, n, ne. When we put fatha, we add an A or an A sound with the word. And also it can connect to both left and right. All the letters we will go over today can both connect to left and right, and this is to show you how they look. Let's go on. Yeah. Yeah is a unique letter, but it can both connect to left and right and be standalone. But when it connects, because it doesn't have something unique to be linked in the middle, you cannot link it in the middle like this. This will be very difficult in writing and it will not look very appealing in the language. So they chose to write it like this with two dots beneath it. Okay, so this is yeah, 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 yeah. All of them with fatha is yeah, yeah, yeah. Without fatha, it is e, e, e. Okay, and I think this is the last slide in our lesson today. So I will see you next time, and please move on to your Quran or anything written in Arabic and try to identify as many of them as you can. If you can identify all of them, this is amazing and you are moving so much closer. Try to identify Fatha and all the letters that we went through today in every shape. You can pause the video and take screenshot. You can have an Arab, I will put a picture of the Arabic alphabet, but you can do whatever you want, but try to identify because This is what will get you closer to reading. Try to identify the shape, the sound, and the حركة. Try for today, try with Fatha, and after we go over the mudud, I know you can read. I know you will be able to read. Not perfectly, but you will be able to read. And when we are done, I promise you, if you went through all of what we are doing, you will be able to read easily. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!